Okay, we're going to the difference between the original Ace cell, which actually is all this stuff, and the Scepter replacement cell. Okay, first of all, the Ace cell actually has a very restrictive pathway going in and out, and you cannot see if it really needs to be serviced, but it's not really that good of a design as far as serviceability. Now this cell is made to sit inside the little tube inside your filter, and then you got this cap that goes on top of the filter. Okay, the Scepter is designed to sit outside the filter, and you cannot get it in this cap unless you totally destroy it. This actually prevents flow errors from coming up on your panel. It just works much better. The chlorine, when it's being produced from the salt, just percolates through the salt, or through this little slot here, and it works very well. You just set it right next to your filter. So then you've got on this filter cap, there's this strain relief that holds the cable for the cell inside of it. And sometimes these are kind of hard to deal with. You can just cut the cable or whatever, pull it through. Now you can use, it comes with this little plastic plug. You just set it inside there and tighten it down, and that'll keep it from sucking water through the hole. Okay, the plug itself is not completely watertight, but it doesn't have to be. Also, on the fitting that goes from your filter compartment to your equipment, it's got this fitting, and there's a little rubber grommet in there, which can make it hard to deal with sometimes, especially when you're putting the new lead through there. This one is a little bit thicker, and yeah, you can get it on here, but you can also put it right through here and then tighten it down, and it's thick enough that it will give a watertight seal in this equipment plug. I think that's about it. That's kind of the biggest things that people ask about. And of course, if you have any other questions, call or email. Thanks a lot.